Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating letters online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 8.2,
which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc.
Room category 2. Room category 3. Next we talk about amenities at this hotel, so you can see on the screen.
Will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings.
Categories of online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies.
For booking or more details, check link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.